Hey guys, Cyberden here, and in this week's video we have the October Antipodean Witch Box. So this box smells really strongly and it's pretty heavy to one side. I apologise if you can hear birds in the background. It is spring, the birds are chirping away as they do. So a little bit about the Antipodean Witch Box is it is a monthly subscription box. It is run by a woman in Melbourne, Australia, and she, at the moment, because of the pandemic, is doing everything herself. So I pay $49 a month, which includes shipping for the box. And yeah. Those are the details. You can pay, I think, in 3 monthly and 12 monthly installments as well, and you do get a bit of a discount per month if you do that, but it is a lump sum payment, and I just prefer to do month by month. I just get the single box option. There is also a no plastic option where the herbs come in little glass jars. There is also a discreet packaging, so it will not have the Antipodean Witch Box sticker on the top. And I think there is a 2-box deal where you get the normal box and a book and brew, so a tea and a book. I haven't gotten that one yet, but I have thought about looking into it, but I'm pretty happy with just my box for the moment. But anyway, so let's get into the October Antipodean Witch Box. It is very pink and it smells very rosy. So the first thing we have is the pamphlet, which says Quokka Moon, the 2nd of October. So this has all of the information about the items in the box and our monthly ritual, so we'll leave this until the end. On top we have a heart, and it has 2 pieces of pink felt, some white lace, some pink embroidery floss, and holding it all together there is a needle, but it is very small compared to the embroidery floss, so I'm not sure that it would work with that. We have a piece of rose quartz. The planet is Venus. The element is water. The attributes are kindness, self-love, passion, love, devotion, clarity, and protection. Next up we have some rhubarb root. The planet is Mars. The element is fire. The attributes are kindness, love, and protection. That actually smells really nice. I like that. We have our 3 incense sticks, which smell incredibly rosy, as would be expected, or at least what I assume is rose. I might be wrong. We have some goji berries. The planet is Saturn. The element is fire. The attributes are kindness, fidelity, passion, and abundance. It's only got a very subtle smell, but it is still quite nice. A piece of pink agate. The planet is Saturn, the element is Earth, the attributes are kindness, self-love, protection, friendship, femininity, love, and healing. Two pretty tall tea light candles, just in white. Have Rosebud. The planet is Venus. The element is water. The attributes are kindness, passion, love, psychic powers, healing, divination, luck, protection, and fairies. I don't know why I'm smelling this. It smells like flowers. Amazing, revolutionary. We have an owl on a Celtic moon pendant. This is actually super cute. Ooh. And we have a consecrated bath milk for kindness. I don't think we've gotten a bath milk before. We've gotten salt scrubs and sugar scrubs and coffee scrubs, but a bath milk. Handcrafted from whole milk powder, sea salt, Epsom and magnesium salts, rose petals, essential flower oils. I don't know if I'll be able to use this because I have a milk protein allergy, but if I'm not ingesting it, it should be fine. Have this little ribbon rose with a little piece of felt on the back. And there is a second one of them, a bit bigger. And then we have 2 wrapped packages. And it is 2 glass tea light candle holders, which I imagine those tea light candles will fit in perfectly. Beautiful. And we have our sigil and affirmation for kindness. So it says, today and every day I make the courageous choice to be kind to myself as well as to others. So we'll go through the pamphlet now. So the almanac for October 2020 is the 2nd of October was the full moon, the Quokka moon. The 10th of October is the last quarter, the 17th of October, the new moon, the 24th of October is the first quarter, and the 31st of October is Beltane. So in this month's box we have the Heart Spell Pillow Kit. So it comes with the heart form, the pieces of felt, a needle and embroidery thread, and some lace and some flowers to decorate it all with. We also have the sigil and affirmation, the heart-shaped crystal candle holders, the owl moon pendant, so these are soy wax tea light spell candles, the Beltane blossom incense with heady notes of cinnamon and roses. Now that it has said that it is cinnamon, I can definitely smell that. So we have our rosebuds, our goji berries, and our rhubarb root. We also have our pink agate and our rose quartz and our bath milk. So there's also in here some information about Beltane fires and fire festivals. And then we have our spring kindness ritual. And on the back we have some deities of kindness, which I will put in a pinned comment down below. and also a sugared rose petals recipe. Alrighty, and that is everything that I got in the October Antipodean Witch Box. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!